Hello everyone. The P.N. Panikkar Foundation and P.N. Panikkar Vigyan Vikas Kendra have been observing the Reading Day, Reading Week and Reading Month celebrations since 19th June 1996. The first annual Remembrance Day of Sri P.N. Panikkar, the father of library and literacy movement in Kerala, started as a Reading Day celebration on 19th June 1996 by the government of Kerala along with the P.N. Panikkar Foundation. It has become a mass movement to promote the culture of reading so as to inculcate the habit of reading and promote book mindedness among school children, youth as well. Reading is a very good habit that one needs to develop in life. Good books can inform you, enlighten you, and lead you in the right direction. There is no better companion than a good book. Reading is important because it is good for your overall well-being. Once you start reading, you experience a whole new world. When you start loving the habit of reading, you eventually get addicted to it. To get your interest into reading, you need to read a good book. Yes, here are 20 15-second short reviews of 20 amazing books by the students of 8th E.
God of Small Things is an Indian debut novel which is written by Indian writer Arundhati Roy. It's a story which states, or it's the story about the childhood experiences of fraternal twins whose lives are destroyed by the love loans that laid out who should be loved and how much.
The Magic of Thinking Big, first published in 1959, is a self-help book by David J. Schwartz. An abridged version was published in 1987. Forbes called it one of the greatest self-help books.
For those who don't know, 5 a.m. Club is a concept started by Robin Sharma where you wake up at 5 a.m., do 20 minutes exercise, 20 minutes planning and 20 minutes study. It's a great concept and it's something I have been waiting to do for some time.
The book tells the story of his childhood in England then Mumbai, how he went to an engineering college and then became a model. It goes through all his pursuits. It doesn't gloss over the bad bits and gives a good amount of insight to his motivation and aspiration throughout. The book is co-authored with best-selling writer Rupa Pai.
For No Reason by Mandira Pedde is about her journey on how she became a fitness icon from cricket to known face in television. It is about her struggles, her way of dealing with those struggles, and how she found peace in being happy for no reason.
Wings of Fire, an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. It was written by Dr. Abdul Kalam and Arun Tiwari. Dr. Kalam examines his early life, effort, hardship, fortitude, luck and chance that eventually led him to lead Indian space research, nuclear and missile.
Midnight Children is a 1981 novel by author Salman Rushdie. It portrays India's transition from British colonial rule to independence and the partition of India. It is considered an example of post-colonial, post-modern and magical realist literature.
Swami and Friends is the first of a trilogy of novels written by R.K. Narayanan, the English language novelist from India. The novel, the first book Narayanan wrote, is set in British India in a fictional town called Malagudi. The second and third book in a trilogy are Bachelor of Arts and the English Teacher.
Lord of the Rings is an epic high fantasy novel by English author and scholar J.R.R. Tolkien, set in the Middle-earth world at some distant time in the past. The story began as a sequel to Tolkien's 1937 children's book The Hobbit, but eventually developed into a much larger book. Thank you.
Right answer to a big question. The book includes 10 questions, starting with is there is a God and ending with very inspirational how do we shape the future. Between these two, Tolkien discoveries on the earth the existence of God.
Good morning. The Picture Book, written by the master storyteller Ruskin Bond. Happy Birthday World is a timely book about the world's natural wonders. Beautifully illustrated by the naturalist Maya Ramaswamy. The book will both inform and delight the young readers. Thank you.
Alice Adventures in Wonderland is an 1865 novel by English author Lewis Carroll. It tells of a young girl named Alice who falls through a rabbit hole into a subterranean fantasy world populated by peculiar anthropomorphic creatures. It is considered to be one of the best examples of the literary nonsense. Thank you.
The Power of Positive Thinking by Dr. Norman Vincent has been printed over 5 million times, and its message of faith has helped many people. This is the book to have on hand when you need to lift yourself up. Thank you.
Hello. First published in 1903, The Call of the Wild is regarded as Jack London's masterpiece, based on London's experiences as a gold prospector in the Canadian wilderness and his ideas about the nature and the struggle for existence. The Call of the Wild is a tale about unbreakable spirit and the fight for survival in the frozen Alaskan Klondike. Thank you.
The Mongo Sold His Ferrari is a self-help book by Robin Sharma, a writer and a motivation speaker. The book is a business fable derived from Sharma's personal experience after leaving his career as a litigational lawyer at the age of 25.
War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy has attained a status as one of the most famous yet most daunting books in the modern library. The primary reason for its fearsome reputation is because the book is well over 1,000 pages in most printed editions. Yet, in spite of the fact that it is so challenging, it has maintained a legacy of being a masterpiece and is beloved by many who read it.
Week's Fitness Project. It's an interesting read that will help each one of us in making changes in our diet for a healthy life. Once again, I loved the writing style. The way the author expressed it felt like taking to a friend.
Sparkle at Happy Bazaar is the biggest and best book of children's tales by Ruskin Bond yet published, personally selected by the author. These 50 stories are the witness of the several hundred tales spun by India's favorite children's author in a career spanning several decades.
A Bit of Everything is a book written by Sandeep Raina. It's a book which tells us about the history, about the kings and the queens of Kashmir, and about a person who's living in the areas of Kashmir.
The Secret is a 2006 self-help book by Rhonda Byrne, based on the earlier film of the same name. It is the base of the belief of the law of attraction, which claims that thoughts can change a person's life directly. The book alleges as assurance of its effectiveness. Yes, I know all of these reviews were very short. So for that, we have provided a link below to get detailed full reviews all of these books. And yes, I know all of you will be excited to read all these 20 books. All these 20 books are available in our school library. We end this video with a small quote by Ma'am J.K. Rowling. I do believe something very magical can happen when we read a good book. Thank you.